Somalia has one of the longest coastlines in Africa, covering 3,333 kilometers. Somalia's coastline is rich with natural resources and offers huge opportunity for developing a sustainable blue economy.
sababtoo ah inta faa'iido uu bariga leeyahay in la mid ah ama ka badan ayuu badda leeyahay.
Somali women have a key role to play in the development of the blue economy, and efforts are underway to enhance their involvement through the Women in the Maritime Sector initiative. The initiative is being implemented by the federal government's Ministry of Ports and Marine Transport and its Ministry of Women and Human Rights Development, with support from the United Nations.
It feels great working as a woman in the maritime sector because it taught me a lot of things that I didn't know.
dumarka Soomaaliyeed inay guryaha ka kaca fadhiga ka kacaan shaqeeyaan kalluunka kheyraadka waa wax badan.
The Women in the Maritime Sector initiative covers a range of activities to enhance women's participation. These include providing them with greater employment opportunities, developing their skills, and investing in their long-term contribution to the maritime sector. This involves different areas of the maritime sector, from the fisheries and shipping industries to maritime security.
Waan ku faraxsanahay inaan ciidanka ka mid ahaado ciidanka booliska Soomaaliyeed gaar ahaan ciidamada Somali Police Coast Guard.
My message to the women who want to work in the maritime sector or wants to take a career in this sector is that you deserve this and you are needed in this area.
Opportunity-yada badda ay ka shaqeysan karaan haweenka aad ayuu u tiro badan yahay. Dadka wax baranaya laftigooda hadda jaamacadda galaya dugsiyada sare ka baxay dumarka ka baxayna waxaan leeyahay xoog saara sida culuumta badda u barataan oo uga qayb gashaan arrimaha badda. Ganacsatada haweenka ganacsatada waxaan leeyahay sida aad xoog u saartaan ganacsiga kale.